What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're pretty much going to be going over Baby Doge. We're going to do some technical analysis because we just now went really close to a support we've been talking about. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get to it, though. So Baby Doge is very close to the support that we're really looking at. So we had some really good consolidation back here from the 27th of May all the way up here to the 30th of May. It was consolidating, right? So let's go ahead and zoom in on that consolidation. You can actually see we had very good support right here. We did not go below this area inside the consolidation, not too far below it over here, and here, but still, we were really nice with that support over here, all the way from the 27th all the way up to the 30th of May. And then we broke out at the end of consolidation. Definitely watch my previous videos. I pretty much do a technical analysis every day. So if you go to the one for like the 26th, the 27th through the 30th, you'll see what I was talking about the whole time. But this is a very good support line. So the support line is pretty much bottomed out at 1400, and the top of it is about 1420. So somewhere between there, we could see, well, around 1410. But yeah, somewhere between there, you can see some very good support. Now, it's important that we talk about this now. And the reason why I'm mentioning it is because we're at 1467. See, if we go all the way back down to 1400 and then we just break below it, then you're going to see Baby Doge go on an even sharper dive downwards. Just like with this right here. 1500, we did have some support at 1500 down here, around 1520. And then you've seen it second it hit that level right there. And the second it broke it, it just started to go on a major downtrend. And the same thing can happen if we go below 1400. So that's what we need to be watching for. Right now we're at 1470, but 1400 flat. And really 1410 is the really real reason, or the real area you should be like worried. But if it goes below 1410 and then goes to 1400, then yeah, that's when you know it's going to go down. So this is the 1410 area. I know it's not a straight line. Let me actually get a straight one. But yeah, this right here is the 1410. And then you got right below it, you have 1400, and that's right here. So it's not too far below it. But if we get to 1410, we're 100% going to get to 1400. Like, it's just going to happen if we get all the way down there to 1410. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much what we got here. So you're gonna want to watch for these two areas, because if Baby Doge continues to go on a downtrend and then hits this, it may do something like this where it tries to recover but then gets rejected again. And look, the second it goes below 1400, our next support, that's what we're about to do now. So our next support is all the way down here at 1250. So if we go below 1400, just expect 1250 to come next. So yeah, it's not going to immediately go down and hit 1250, but it's going to hit there eventually. So it's something you're going to want to be watching out for, because this is a very significant area here. If that happens, you're going to see a Baby Doge down here at 1250. That's our next major support. Now, we did have some minor support like right before 1250 around 1300, but I don't think it's significant enough to do a whole technical analysis on. I don't think that's a significant support. But anyways, we're waiting for that 1250, because for after 1400, that's just what comes. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for that short-term technical analysis. Let's kind of talk some long-term stuff here. So let's go ahead and pull up the 4-hour chart for Baby Doge. So looking at Baby Doge right now from this point of view, just from the long term, taking off these indicators right here, Baby Doge definitely looks like it's inside of a consolidation area, kind of, but it just now broke down below that trend line, which kind of, yeah, it kind of devalues the argument that it's a consolidation pattern. So I think that's already out the window, because this was consolidation here, blew up right at the end of the consolidation. This was consolidation, blew up right at the end of the consolidation. And now we're seeing we had the chance, we had the opportunity to consolidate there. But now, since we broke this trend line here, you may see it hitting 1250 before the next consolidation. But I think after that 1250, we can become bullish here, because this is a huge area for Baby Doge to build up momentum at. We have so much good support there. Like back here, we had some pretty good support for 1250, and that was on the 20th of May. And you've seen here, pretty good support again for 1250, and that was on the 9th of May, or really the 10th of May. So 1250 is always a significant support to us. And we didn't actually even break it below this time. like over here on the 14th of December last year. You seen it got close, but it didn't really hit it. And then 1250 was also our major resistance back here. 1250 major resistance over on 14th of September. 1250 major resistance October 7th of 2021, and then again October 12th. So 1250 is really strong support and resistance for us. And right now it's about to be used as that support. So that's why I keep, referencing this 1250 number. I know you've probably seen it in multiple videos where I talk about the 1250 support, and it's also on our Fibonacci retracement here. But yeah, we should be having 1250 coming very, very soon. If we break below 1250, which I'm not sure if we will, then we will go back down to about 9Z10, and then eventually adding on a 0 to the 9 area, which will be a good buying opportunity, to be completely honest. Yeah, I'm still waiting for it to come back and pull back down to 1250. So whenever that happens, I'll definitely keep you all updated on that. But moving on to this Bitcoin. Bitcoin is oversold right now. You can see here on the oscillator. We just now had a bunch of buying in Bitcoin, which was just this, and then it didn't really go on for too long, and it immediately sold out. But inside of doing that, it pretty much got oversold. So you may see Bitcoin trying to do another rise like this, like just a little bit of a rise, but then it's probably going to sell off again and probably become oversold again. So you may see something like where we get a double oversold area. Like here, we were oversold on the 7th, and then later on in pretty much the next morning, we were oversold again, and then the day after, oversold again. So we keep getting this volatility inside of Bitcoin where we just keep getting a bunch of selling met by random buying. So this is definitely manipulated by the whales, which means it's going to be really hard for us to do a technical. We can't really do a technical on it because it's being manipulated by the whales. They just keep, doing heavy selling, or I mean, heavy buying first and then heavy selling. Whenever you see orders all at once like that, that's some kind of whale. Maybe it's an institution, hedge funds. I don't know. They're doing big money stuff right here. So you definitely want to be careful. Just people cannot just do all this. Like the people cannot do all that selling. The same thing with all the buying, and the same thing with all the selling here. If it was Dogecoin, then yeah, it's possible when we have all those pumps and stuff like that. But just with Bitcoin, no, you're not going to see random sporadic movements like that. I just think this is being manipulated, so it's going to be hard for us to really tell what happens next. But anyways, yeah, Baby Doge down 4.8% for the day, and now 5.3%. It could have become more and more. And now since we're actually below 1500, we're at 1472. We're probably more like 6 to 7%. But anyways, moving on to this, we almost have 1.6 million holders. Baby Doge, good stuff there. And then over here, we are the top social media project out there, the hottest social media project. We're hotter than Sheep, Floki. I don't know what this is, Catcoin, Cakecoin, whatever. We're hotter than all of these. All right, and Pitbull, all of them. So also over here, we have the number one BNB chain project. And big shout out to Ultra243 for always keeping the Baby Doge army up to date with this type of stuff. So big shout out to Ultra243 for that. But yeah, Baby Doge over here, trending. We're best on Twitter, best on for all BNB chain projects pretty much. We're the most mentioned BNB project. So yeah, we got that. And then we got this trending projects on Certic. And yeah, we're trending there too. And then you got even more. You got this $11,000 burned today, 10 hours ago, pretty much. And then you can see over here, the past day burn was 7 trillion. That's a lot of Baby Doge. And eventually we'll continue to burn, 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 and burn until I don't know. I don't know if we can get down to zero circulating supply, but we're definitely going to get pretty low. Now, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. So if you want me to go over something, definitely become a member of the channel. I'll go over any crypto that you all want me to go over. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.